Hello, good morning to you all. Today I am going to tell you about a method of separation called sublimation. This is the method used to separate the constituent of a mixture which undergoes sublimation process. Sublimation process may be defined as the process in which a solid is directly converted into gas on heating and the gas into solid on cooling directly. The substances which form sublimate that is the solid obtained after the process of sublimation. For example, camphor, iodine, ammonium chloride, naphthalene, anthracene undergo sublimation. Now, for example, we have to separate a mixture of sand and ammonium chloride. We take the mixture on a china dish and cover it with a inverted funnel whose narrow end is closed with cotton plug. The whole system is kept on a metal gauge placed on a tripod. When we start heating the mixture, white vapors start rising in the funnel. The vapors, as rises up, it cools down and gets deposited on the wall of the funnel on cooling. In this way, till the vapors rises, we heat the mixture. Lastly, when all the ammonium chloride is deposited at the sublimate, we stop heating and remove the funnel from china dish. Now we have sand, a constituent of the given mixture, on china dish and the ammonium chloride in the funnel on the walls of the funnel. Now we separate the ammonium chloride from the funnel and get ammonium chloride in pure form. So my dear children, in this way we can separate a mixture having a solid constituent which forms sublimate. In this way, a number of mixtures can be separated. If we have a mixture having two or more constituents in which one of the constituent will form sublimate, we can use this method. So I think we are now able to separate the solid mixture containing a constituent which undergoes sublimation process. Thanks. In next video, I will explain the process of magnetic separation to separate the constituent of a mixture containing a magnetic substance like iron, cobalt, nickel.